Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading the preset and protecting the original. Duplicate the text layer immediately so you can revert if needed. Once duplicated, tap the copy to open text properties. This is where Alight Motion stores font, size, and layout. You want to be in the font selector now. Do not alter other effects yet. Making the first change here keeps keyframes intact, and it prevents nested effects from being accidentally broken when you swap fonts. Now import or pick a font. Tap the font list and choose Add Font to load a TTF or OTF from your device storage. Once the font is applied, adjust size, tracking, and line height to match the preset's look. Small changes can shift animations, so tweak gradually. Also inspect any text-specific keyframes. If the preset uses range, mask, or text animation, make sure the new font doesn't break timing. Once done, scrub the timeline to confirm motion still reads correctly. Finish by previewing the whole animation and exporting a short test at your target resolution so you can confirm render fidelity. Once satisfied, save the composition as a new preset or group the modified layers for reuse. If the font doesn't appear correctly on export, make sure the font file is installed system-wide or reopen Alight Motion after installation. As a last resort, convert the text to vector shapes to preserve appearance. This locks design, but prevents future editable text changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.